Hello, we are at Thunder Mountain Ranch. I will put more of the story in a little bit into this video. In 1969, Frank Vanzant arrived in Imlay, Nevada with his wife and started this unique architectural art sculpture house. Born on a reservation in Oklahoma in 1921, he served in the 7th Armored Division in World War II and was badly burned in a tank battle outside of Leipzig. Due to his upbringing, he considered himself a Creek Indian, and after experiencing an epiphany, took the native name of Rolling Mountain Thunder. Working as a forest ranger, he was allowed to keep anything he found out in the field. And as one story goes, his old Chevy broke down near Imlay, and that's where he decided to build his shelters for the coming apocalypse he believed was coming, and to create a spiritual haven to honor Native Americans, their protective spirits, as well as the massacres and injustices against them. At one time here, there was 7 buildings, including a 3-story hostel where a lot of free-spirited people stayed during the 70s. And we have Kenai.
No, don't stop.
Complete with a little line. The outside walls and the buildings are made up with rocks, cement, and all of the found treasures, including car parts, transmissions, typewriters, gas pumps, and you'll notice there's a few car windshields built into the house, along with the cement bone-like structures on top of the place. And also, the top floor has one complete wall made with antique bottles. Creepy little baby doll. In 1983, the site was partially destroyed by arson, which ironically was the same year he was named Nevada's Artist of the Year. And sadly, in 1989, he took his own life. Thunder Mountain Monument is named after his Native American name, as there is no Thunder Mountain in the area. In 1992, it was declared a Nevada State Historic Site and is now basically under the care of his grown children. If you find yourself on I-80 between Lovelock and Winnemucca, stop and check this place out. It's worth the time and the small donation to get in to see it. Notice all the antique bottles in the walls. While you're not allowed inside the house, it's still fascinating to see. I'm just taking a wild guess that there was no building codes back then.
That's it? Yeah.
I'll include a link for the website for the property below, and they do have pictures of the interior and the story of Frank's life. It's pretty interesting. As always, we thank you for watching. Please hit that like, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. Also, let us know what you think of this place in the comments below. Again, thanks for watching.
I just love the fence. And not too shabby of a view.